Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom, and welcome to another simple but useful tutorial on this channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can turn on quiet mode on your Instagram. So without any delay, let's start the video. Before I start the video, if you don't know the purpose of quiet mode on Instagram, it is very simple. If you turn quiet mode on Instagram on a specific time period, you will not get any notification from Instagram. It may be your message notification or other notification. So this is the benefit. So let's do this. First of all, go to your Instagram profile, and now click your profile icon on the bottom right, and click those straight lines on top of your right screen. Just click here, and now go to settings and privacy, and now you can see the option notification. Just click that option here, notification, and here is the quiet mode option. Just click that option. As you can see, my quiet mode is turned off. To turn this on, just simply click that click here, and as you can see, my quiet mode is turned on. But if you want to change your time period also, just select the start time here. Like I want to start the timer from 1 a.m. and just click OK. And the end timer, I want to select it like from 7 a.m. and just click OK. Now in this time period from 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. I won't get any notification from Instagram. So this is the purpose of quiet mode. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video helps you, please subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next video.